Alright, ladies and gents, I have disassembled the grinder. I had to use my cutoff wheel on this screw, I believe, because no, this not this one. On the screw, on this shield, it was on this shield over here. Right, had to cut it because the head was stripped, so that was junk. It looks like spiders and small other insects made the inside of the casing their home. They have been evicted. I spun the armature around, so it's not spinning because I'm holding it with one hand. See, yeah, it spins around freely. So I think in it, I need to oil. The bearings have 3-1 oil. I want to oil this bearing here to make sure this is a little metal bearing on the shaft. It should be free. And it rides on some pipe holders here, right? I'm gonna give this a dab of lithium grease on both sides, so that way when I reassemble it, it has nice and free motion. Then it has, on the opposite side, it rides on these rubber bushings for vibration, right? This too will also have some, some grease in it, so that as it's rotating, it's not sounding like it's screeching a whole lot. I had to cut the ground wire because I couldn't get a screwdriver in here to undo this screw. It's, I don't know, 40-50 years old by now. I'm not gonna mess with it. I'd rather splice it. I have some heat shrink splicing for the ground. That's not that big of a deal. So the armature itself works. I just realized I should have marked which one the red one or the white one goes to. But I think I have a picture. Yeah, I took a picture, so I took a picture of how this goes together. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do now. Is I'm gonna oil it. I have 10 minutes before I have to get signed into work, and that's what I'll probably be doing after I record this. After I'm done recording, so this is ready for cleaning. Incidentally enough, I need this tool to be together to clean these parts, or together enough to clean these parts, so I can wire wheel these and then spray them with rust inhibiting priming spray. But I think I can do that with just the wire wheel on the one side after I clean all the plastics during my lunch break. Thank you for watching Little Builds It. Please like, comment, and subscribe.